The main character of the movie Nayak is Shivaji Rao, who is a TV reporter by profession. His father is a cartoonist and mother is a housewife. Another part of the movie shows a prime minister who is notorious and influential named Chauhan. Chauhan once visited a village where a girl from village Sasaram complained to the CM, which reporter Shivaji liked very much and started liking this girl. This girl is Manjali in character. Shivaji then tried to woo Manjali in various ways. Meanwhile, in a scene, students clashed with the Bus Owners Association and the situation in the city began to deteriorate. The Commissioner of Police sought permission from the Chauhan government to get out of the situation, but the Chauhan government did not want to give permission and instead allowed the trouble to continue. Shaji captured the entire scene on his camera. The head of his TV channel was pleased with him and promoted him to the position of senior reporter. At one point, Shivaji Rao got an opportunity to have an interview that too from the Chief Minister of the country. This interview is very significant of the whole movie, where Shivaji with his words, diction and skill brings out all the misdeeds of the Chauhan government. The Chauhan government gave Shivaji Rao the chance to become Chief Minister for a day to project himself as a big man, and at one point Shivaji became the CM for a day. In this day, and many miracles are done like reduction of prices of goods, strengthening of medical sector, strengthening of administration, opportunity of permanent residence for slum dwellers, elimination of corruption and many other steps. Although the people were very happy with his actions, the Chauhan government was very angry because Shivaji Rao arrested Chauhan government ministers and Chauhan for corruption in the last part of his tenure. So Shivaji finished his duty. When he returned home, he was attacked and luckily he survived. Just as everyone is welcoming Shivaji Rao with whatever they can for his good deeds, Manjali sacrifices all her respect for Shivaji and their bond of love grows stronger. Meanwhile, due to being made CM for a day, all the support of Balraj Chauhan's government started to decrease from within his own party. All the party leaders left his company and this government fell. As a result, the preparations for the elections were started again. Meanwhile, if the public is polled, they don't want any leader and activist but want Shivaji Rao as CM not for one day but full time. But Shivaji Rao has no desire to become CM, rather, he wants to be a very common citizen. In the meantime, Chauhan's party terrorists attack Shivaji Rao's office and turn the entire office into a shambles and Shivaji Rao is badly injured. On the other hand, in Shivaji Rao's house, his parents were forcibly thrown out and the entire house was bulldozed. While Shivaji Rao has no intention of entering politics, millions of people gather in front of his house in support of him. Later, getting everyone on his side, Shivaji changed his mind and decided to enter politics. But this made Manjali's father very unhappy and angry. Finally, Shivaji Rao formed a new party, participated in the elections and won, as a result of which he became CM. The first step of the Shivaji Rao government was the grievance box so that people could air all their problems and the government could resolve them quickly. Chauhan, on the other hand, was plotting to kill Shivaji Rao and hired an international don for the same. Shivaji Rao disguises himself and goes to meet Manjali and is attacked there, though no one is hurt. Again, when Shivaji Rao came to meet his parents, both Shivaji Rao's parents were killed in a bomb blast and luckily Shivaji survived. Meanwhile, increasing the level of conspiracy, Chauhan started preparing for riots and bomb blasts all around. But Shivaji was able to extract information differently from Panduram Rao, Chauhan's assistant. At some point, it is possible to defuse all the bombs. Even then, when Shivaji Rao was blamed by Chauhan, Shivaji was forced to outwit Chauhan, and all problems ended. At the end of the movie, Manjali's father brings Manjali to Shivaji and agrees for the marriage, and the movie ends.